हाय एडवर्ड्स इन हिंदी की नई वीडियो सीरीज नीड टू नो में आपका स्वागत है. In this video, we will be talking about optimizing your Google AdWords account. Now, there are a couple of aspects of an AdWords account that we'll talk about today, and these aspects are as follows: account structure, location targeting and budgeting, adding crucial keywords, writing effective ads, and setting the correct bids. So let's start first by understanding the structure of an AdWords account. You have a campaign right at the top. This is where you determine the daily budget and the locations that you want your ads to run in. Below your campaigns are the various ad groups. Now, a lot of AdWords users might use the terms campaign and ad group interchangeably, but these are actually two very different things. An ad group is present inside a campaign, and any keywords and ads that you create are created inside the ad group itself. Now, the reason that we always recommend that you have more than one ad group is because any keyword in an ad group can trigger an ad. So, if you're selling both laptops as well as mobile phones on your website, to ensure effective ad serving, you will need to have two ad groups, one for laptops and one for mobile phones. Now, let's look at setting the correct location targeting for your campaigns. So the location targeting setting, which can only be applied at a campaign level, helps determine the various areas where your ads might serve. We can target an entire country, state, or even a city. For businesses who want to expand their reach, we also provide the option of targeting a radius around a particular location. For example, targeting the ads 10 miles around Mumbai. Now, one very important feature about location targeting are the location targeting advanced settings. These settings allow us to determine all the locations from which a user may or may not see your ad. Another setting at the campaign level is your daily budget. Based on your estimated spend on AdWords campaigns per month, we can determine your daily budget. Usually, the daily budget should be calculated based on the volume of sales one is expecting and the level of competition a business is expecting for a particular campaign. Now let's talk about adding crucial keywords to help your customers find your ads online. Keywords are simply search queries on Google for which you would like your ad to show. If you were selling cupcakes, then your keywords would be something like buy cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes, etc. Similarly, if you are a flower delivery business, you will have keywords like deliver flowers, flower delivery, etc. It's always a good idea to put yourself in the shoes of a potential customer and think about the kind of ways that they might find your business online. You can then go ahead and add these various search terms that come to your mind as your keywords. Another thing to be kept in mind while adding your keywords is the quality score. The quality score, along with your bids, determine whether your ads will be triggered or not. To have a higher quality score, ensure that your keywords are present as words on the ad text as well, and ensure that the same keywords are present on your landing pages. We recommend this because there needs to be some connection between your keywords, ads, and landing pages. So, if at any point the words being used are not the same, the quality score will get impacted. We have also linked a useful resource for you in the description below, which is known as the Keyword Planner tool. This will assist you in finding more keyword ideas for your business. Now let's talk about writing effective ads to attract customers to click on your ads. Google AdWords allows you to create ads which have two headlines along with 80 characters to write a good description about your products and services. A best practice here would be to create at least 2 ads per ad group. Try to bring out the same aspects of your business while being as creative as possible. For example, someone may want to buy a wristwatch just to see the time, while another consumer may want to buy a wristwatch as an accessory, and we need to appeal to all kinds of consumers. So writing effective ads which appeal to all of these consumers is a huge key here. Also, when creating your ads, try to ensure that there is some correlation between your keywords which trigger those ads and the landing pages to which these ads go. You don't want people to click on an ad which speaks about selling hats but takes you to a generic page which shows all of the products that you're selling. Lastly, let's talk about bidding correctly to ensure that our ads are showing up to the right audience. AdWords gives you the opportunity to choose from automated and manual bidding strategies. Hence, depending on the control that you'd like to exercise on your keywords, you can choose either automated or manual strategies to set your bids. In case your goal is visibility and increasing clicks, you can choose a strategy like maximize clicks or even manual bidding. If your goal is to show your ads right at the top, we recommend target search page location, which optimizes your keyword bids to get your ads to show on the top of a search results page as much as possible. Lastly, if leads maximization is what you're looking at, you can either use enhanced cost per click or cost per acquisition, which will take into account the conversion data that you have to optimize your campaign to increase your conversions. For more information and details on these strategies, check out the Help Center links in the description below. AdWords also gives you the option of optimizing bids based on location, device, and time. If there is a specific device, location, or time of day or day of the week during which you expect a lot of traffic, you can set adjustments to capitalize on this as well. The setup for this is fairly simple. Just navigate to the Settings tab and click on the appropriate tab to set the bid adjustments. We really hope that with the information provided today, you will be able to get insights into optimizing your AdWords account. We've also shared a couple of useful links in the description below in case you'd like to learn more about your AdWords account. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch all of the latest AdWords videos. Thanks for watching.